I'm going to show you how you can easily get the best Banana Republic promo codes. There are several Banana Republic promo codes and offers available. You can get 25% off your entire order by using the code BRCardPerk, valid until February 17, 2025. There is also a discount of up to 40% off on select sale items, which does not require a code as the prices are already marked down. If you sign up for Banana Republic's text alerts, you will receive a 20% off promo code for your next purchase. Additionally, placing an order through the Banana Republic app allows you to apply the coupon A15 at checkout for an extra 15% off. Another available offer provides $25 off full-price orders when using the code BR25. These promotions are subject to change and may have specific terms and conditions, so it is recommended to visit Banana Republic's official website or contact customer service for the most up-to-date information.